Once your area is clean, you're ready to prime the machine for operation. You need to make sure you are using fresh paint that is well mixed and ready to go. If you're using old paint, it can sometimes have a skin on it or lumps in the paint which can block up the spray nozzle. Our airless sprayers are for water-based paint only. Talk to our team at your local branch if you are using a different type of paint. This is your intake hose and this is your return hose. Both of these go into the paint. The intake hose sucks up the paint through the pump, through the paint line and out through the spray nozzle. Your return hose gets all the excess paint from the pump back into the paint tin to ensure that there's no waste. So before priming and using the airless sprayer, we're going to put our gloves and our safety glasses on. In order to prime the machine, you need to make sure that your return valve and your intake valve are both turned to the left. That makes them open. You turn the machine on. You turn your return valve slowly to the right. That primes the hose. Then you slowly turn the pressure valve to the right. Whenever you're not using the machine, make sure that the nozzle is locked. In order to do this, you need to push the nozzle forward and click the lock. The main safety issue with the airless sprayer is accidentally injecting yourself with paint. The paint comes out at an extremely high pressure, so always make sure that you point the nozzle away from yourself and others, and make sure that the trigger is locked in safety when not in use. Remember, the team at your local branch can help answer any questions that you may have about your particular project. For more information, visit our Get Inspired page or give us a call. While operating machinery, we recommend using the necessary safety gear, all of which Kennards Hire branch has in stock. Follow all safety instructions Kennards Hire staff gives you and always refer to the operator's instructions before operating. Instructions are available on the Kennards Hire website or simply ask at the branch. Special thanks to Dulux for their advice and support during this project.
Kennards make your job easy.